Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see your memory bus width or RAM's bus width in Windows 10. So first of all, you have to install an app called Ada64, and Ada64 is a really wonderful app and you can install it in your system for free. They also have a trial version and a paid version. I have the trial version here. So after you have installed Ada64, you have to open the app. After opening the app, you have to click on motherboard here, and then you have to go to motherboard here, and you can see the memory bus width is 128-bit. Since I'm using two memory channels, it is showing as 128-bit, and if you're using a single channel memory, you will see 64-bit, and if you're using quad channel, you will see 256-bit. And if you have a really ancient system that has a triple channel memory, it will have 192-bit, I think. So that's how you can see your bus width in Windows 10. So thank you everyone for watching this video.